Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the newest tactic for growing out hair that recently proved to work the fastest, guys. It's so amazing, only 2 ingredients, and it's excellent for detangling. As you can see, it has so much slip, and of course it's going to add in so much moisture to your hair, and it's going to help a lot when it comes to retaining length, guys. So if your goal is to grow your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and voluminous, then please keep on watching. So first thing first, you're going to look at our ingredients, and our first ingredient is okra, guys. Okra is amazing. I have used okra here on my channel several times, and okra is amazing, guys. This plant, sometimes it's called the lady finger. It's amazing, guys. This okra is packed with a lot of nutrients and fibers and protein and vitamins that are essential for growing out your hair, guys. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, guys. So okra contains a lot of calcium, iron, manganese, zinc, and potassium, guys. It also have high quality fibers that provide sleep, guys, in the hair, and it has great antioxidant. All you have to do is clean your okras, chop your okras, boil your okras for 20 minutes, let them cool, and of course go ahead and strain, and there you have your okra juice or your okra soup. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but that's what you'll be using, guys. Put it aside for it to cool so you don't get to burn yourself, and you're moving on to the next ingredients, guys. The next ingredients will be using avocado. Make sure it's a ripe avocado. Avocado is amazing, guys. Avocado itself has vitamins and has fats which are great for the hair, and it has high quality of properties that are going to help a lot in moisturizing your hair, guys. So it's going to nourish your hair because of the fats that's available in avocado, and of course with the vitamin. Oftentimes you'll hear avocado is good for eating, so also be sure to eat more of these fruits. But today we are also going to be using this avocado to our hair, guys. Avocado is amazing for the hair. It has very good fats for the hair, and it's really good when you use it for hair mask, guys, like the one that I'm going to show you how to make it. So go ahead and chop your aloe vera, blend it, and strain, guys. And we are straining in the same bowl where we had our okra juice. So avocado is amazing, guys. Due to its oil and vitamin properties, it's going to moisturize your hair, it's going to prevent hair loss, it's going to promote healthy hair growth, it's going to help your hair strengthen your strands so your hair will be very strong. And also it has these properties which are really good for protecting your hair against the effect of the sun. As you can see, we are mixing thoroughly the mixture of avocado and okra juice. Take your time because this process takes a minute. So stir properly just to make sure you have that. You see the slip that I'm talking about? That's going to help you detangle, and it's going to add so much moisture to your hair. Avocado has a lot of benefits to your hair. I only mentioned a few, but if you have access to this avocado, just go ahead and use it. Next ingredients we'll be using, you're going to be adding this DIY aloe vera oil, guys. I made it here on my channel, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box and up in the card. So after you add some few drops into your bowl. Make sure you stir properly to make sure everything has mixed thoroughly. And of course, we are going to move on next to application. So before we go straight to applying this hair mask, this is the condition of my hair recently. So I had some okra juice remained, so that's what I'm using to add moisture to my hair before taking down these braids, guys. It's important to be gentle with your hair. I washed my hair in these braids 2 days ago, and I really didn't have the strength to deep condition or do anything, so it's about time that I get to do it. So yeah, natural hair needs discipline and needs energy and time. So if you lack one of those, there's no way you're going to grow out your hair. Make sure you have full energy so that you get to be gentle with your hair, so you don't break your hair during the process, because if you're tired or if you're in a rush, you will not be gentle with your hair. It's very important to have enough time and have enough energy to take care of your hair. So after you have undone your hair, ready for applying the hair mask, I suggest that you put this hair mask in a clean scalp, because these properties are going to penetrate. The fats in aloe vera is very penetrative, and it's very ideal for people who are suffering with dry hair. So avocado is really great for people with dry hair because it's going to add in moisture, and the oils in the avocado is going to strengthen your hair, which is going to help a lot with length retention, because it's going to prevent unnecessary hair fall, guys. So I went ahead and applied the mask in these other sections, and I'm here to demonstrate the remaining section so that you can also do this process to your own hair, guys. Okay, so I put the mask in the spray bottle for easy application. You can do it anyhow. So that's how I have, and this is amazing, guys. It's helping a lot with the scalp, with the conditioning of the scalp, anti-itch, because of that aloe vera oil I put on the mask, guys. It's very potent, and just make sure you watch that video right after you finish watching this one. And of course, I'm going to link it's down in the description box so you get to see. And if you're new here, just know you need to subscribe to this, because there are values being given out of this channel on weekly basis. So make sure that you subscribe. And if you are watching this video this far and you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like the video and comment down below and share to your loved ones. Okay, so the slip of this mask is amazing, guys. You see how easily it detangles. It makes the whole hair the whole process of taking care of your hair a breeze. So be gentle, take your time, detangle each section, then put it into twist. And after you have done everything, make sure you sit under heat, wear a heat cap, put on a shower cap, whatever you can do in order to add in heat to your hair. It will be so much, it will help a lot this mask to be more effective. Now that I've done everything, this is how it looks, and here I'm ready to put the shower cap and sit under a heat or steamer. I'm actually going to be wearing a heat cap, so you can use anything that you have access to. And of course, that's what we have. I'm going to leave a playlist on the screen so you get to understand more on these topics of taking care of your own hair at home. So before I go, I want us to recap